Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this one, we are going to talk about the interface type. The interfaces type or interfaces help us create the shape of an object. The type keyword, if you remember, or type aliases, they allowed us to create any type that we wanted. However, interfaces allow us to create only the object type. Let's see. So with type aliases, we use the type keyword. And with enums, we use the enum keyword. With interfaces, we use the interface keyword. Awesome, right? Okay, let me just fix the position of mic. Cool. The interface. Now, interfaces have names, much like types. They do resemble types when we created types for objects a lot, but there are minor changes, minor differences. The name of an interface has to start with a capital letter, like Pascal case, and then we have that same declaration block. So in this way, it looks more like enums than type aliases or types. We have the keyword, which is reserved in Typescript, this interface. We have the name of that type, and then we use the object syntax. So within here, let's say I want to create an object that has a property of name, which is equal to string. I wanted to have price, which is of type number. Cool. Then I wanted to have a discount property, but I want it to be optional. If it is available, then I want it to be of type Boolean, and I also want it to have a features object, which is going to include the level, which is going to be of type string, and the duration type number. This is basically an interface, and since this is a type, it doesn't have a JavaScript equivalent. It is compiled away. How can we use it? Exactly the same way we used type aliases. So I'm going to say let course1, and we are going to type annotate it to this interface. Now, interfaces, they can only be used to create objects. We can't use them to create arrays or regular variables. They can only be objects. Let's create. Now, this interface, it requires the first property it requires is the name, which is of type string. So let's say Python for come on, buddy, for everybody. Cool. And then we need to have the price, which is 10. Cool. And after that, I could add a discount, or I could just not do it, leave it out. In here, let's say the level is all levels. Very awesome. And the duration is 10 hours, which is not correct. My Python course is 80 something hours. Crazy, right? So features, what it seems to be incorrect. Course at feature level string duration number. Level, features, string and number. That is correct. What is the issue here? Okay. Yeah, just comment there. Cool. I thought Prettier would take care of that, but apparently it didn't. Now, with any other object in JavaScript, we can grab the name of the object and access any of the properties or values within the or key value pairs within the object. Now, I'm not going to jump too much into interfaces, but the more we progress through this tutorial series, the more you will understand when to use interfaces and when to use type aliases or types. The first difference and the most important difference that you need to keep in mind is that type aliases, they're used to create any type, any kind of type that we want, not the specific any type. Like every kind of type, but interfaces can only be used to type annotate the shape of an object, to create the shape of an object. So for starters, this is what you need to keep in mind. That is it for this lesson. See you in the next one.